we're going back to Anda. No, we're going to Mabini. Go for update video of my friend. Then she's from Boston. She live in Boston, guys. And my husband is a foreigner. So now they're making a vacation house in Mabini, and it's really nice view there. Oh my God, I really love it there. Oh my God, this place have a nice view. Jeep line?
Jeep line niya ay nagdunggo.
Okay, let's go. Wow, look at that. That, guys. Look at the view. Wow, baby, look. Wow. Wow, look at this, kids. Look at that, guys. Wow.
Parang ang dami kaya.
Where's Anda?
Tumoy.
That's Anda there. That is Anda.
Nagkon siguro sila nanguhag mga kayong
What are they doing?
nangagswak.
Swimming? The kids swimming? You wanna go swim, baby love? Wow. So guys, we're going now. Next, we're going to Mabini.
Layo na kayong nang Mabini.
Oh, it's so rough today. Look at that. You can go, wow! Dili snorkeling ka ng, dili dive ka ng nabibulog kayong sakit-sakyan. Di, uy! Ka ng murag skateboard. Skateboard.
Ay, gamay na mo bod.
Sabay, kasi nga na to'y. Iyawan, traguter.
Water skating board.
Wow, sa itawag na guys.
Sa tawag ka na.
Dako wala mo kay skateboard pero wala ka nang kuan, wala ka nang ligid.
Lutaw, chikpon. She's singing guys.
Wow, Tia, look, Tia.
Wait.
Look, Tia.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Surfing.
Surfing. Tara, surfing. Nindot mag-surfing dito. Sa sena, may surfing maglibo.
Skating board.
Loading?
Water.
Awa, mananaga sila. Mananaga sila nga.
Where?
Sana.
Guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are here back at Link Property for the update. So wow, and they also have a stairs. A lot of things happening here. Tukoy. They also have the chicken.
Duha ka buok.
Wow, this is Link Property, guys. They live in Boston. They have $1 million. Wow, nanalagi mo ikuan. Meron na kayong stairs. Okay. Wow, you already have a stairs. So nice. Oh my God, a lot things happen here. For only few weeks.
Few months.
Oh my God, this is the best. This is the best part. See.
Hawa. Bitaw.
Oh my God, look at.
Hawa ma.
It's like heaven. It's like heaven.
Whoa!
Oh my God.
Is this a house or?
Yeah, it's a vacation house
Oh, okay.
because the owner here is in
Who's the owner?
USA, Boston. Oh my G. Ako, wala nagtrabaho dito, ikaw na lang?
Oh.
Bakit?
Disugban, baka masakpan.
Ah, oo.
Social distance.
Oh, social distancing. Oh my G, ang ganda na dito. So, ikaw lang mag-isa, Diyos ko.
Ito, may pauban.
Wow, it's nice. I had to stop working, guys.
Akala ko nakabili kayo yung lote.
Sa Mabini?
Dito.
Hindi titingnan pa namin. Wala pa may muda yun. Huwag ka nang kuan kay naabda naman sa quarantine. O sa man ang isla din ang daghang bayi. Daghang baya.
Tintinan.
Tintinan? Oh my G, this is... Na, huwag na yaw eh. Huwag na.
Yan ang buhay namin dito. Kita mo? Yan.
Oh, may stairs na pala. I'll go to the stairs.
Saka kayo.
Tan, tingnan mo dito sa taas.
Yung ano namin doon, yung dam.
Saan dam nyo?
Meron doon.
Meron na kayong dam?
Maliit lang.
Wow, sige mamaya titingnan ko para makita niling. Ah. So now they have stairs, guys, going up. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow, be careful, Tan, ha?
You make it by yourself? The only guy?
Huh? Yeah, right now he's the only one who's working because it's quarantine, guys, you know, social distancing. Oh my God. Oh my G.
God.
Can we live here, Tan?
Yeah.
I really want to live here. Kuya, rin ako po yun. Yari na may Nathan po yun. Dito na kami titira ni Nathan.
Look at the view.
Oh, guys, if you want trees, have a lot here. This side, oh. Lot of trees. Coconuts. Sige. And then, boom. They have the ocean.
Yeah, look at the
Perfect.
mountains. And
It's really perfect. Oh my God, Ling, you really have the best, you know, the best view here. Oh my gosh, you're really lucky to find this place. It is really the best. So nice, right?
Yeah.
This is the storehouse, guys, and this is the rooms. I think this is the rooms.
Only one room?
No, have two rooms downstairs.
Okay. Then this.
And this one, if you want to drink coffee, you know, at night, you want to see the $1 million view
Like
here. Oh my God, Jesus!
So nice. Ano lang yan? Ako lang.
He did it by himself. All of this. Oh my God.
Natuto ko sa ano sa mga puti.
Oh.
Don't act like a boss.
Oh yeah, you're right.
To work. Yeah.
Correct.
Someday we will not become a millionaire.
Oh, correct. Wow.
No?
So true.
Sabi niya,
Oo. Tama, yeah. Their post, guys, is not big like, I mean, the column is not big like Cora's house, but it's just a small, it's not just as, you know, it's not really big building. No, no. And their property is getting better and better every time I came here. Look, and now it's surrounded by the coconut. They plant a lot of coconut here, guys. And their property, it's so clean. It's very clean. And they have also a wheel here, so they are not worried about the water. Look at the kids there. They're playing a kite. See that one, guys? Playing a kite. And this is here. It's also the room. I think room. I will ask Kuya about it. Kuya! Kani sa babaw room? Gihapon eh?
ano lang niya, parang ano man na, view deck man na.
Oh, this is the view deck.
Ka na, parang ano na.
So walang bed.
Saka na. Magkakaroon niya mga ano sa loob.
Ah,
Mga
okay.
Customize na ng mga bed.
Okay. So it means she also have a bed here. And then this part is the view deck.
Ano yan? Parang
Little bar?
family hall, parang family hall yan.
Okay.
Ito,
Ba-
building.
Pero
So
glass na ni siya kuya.
ito yung view deck.
Open.
Here.
Kani open.
Again, open. Okay. Yeah, here, guys. Here. That
Be
one is the view deck. So this part is the view deck, and here inside is bed.
Customize na mga bed.
Customized beds. Wow. Maayos jud kayo pagkaplano ya. I love it. Look at the kite. The best thing here is you can see the islands.
Right side, right of the shoulder. It is Leyte.
This part, that one is Leyte.
Wow.
That one is Batu Leyte, guys. That mountain you can see, that's Batu Leyte.
What? Sambal?
Sandbar.
Sandbar.
Yeah, no, I don't want to go there. No shades.
Where?
Puti.
That one?
Ito, puti.
Yeah, the
Ito na
other-
tibay nga.
Rough man, no?
Oh,
Sorry?
right there.